Ode to King Alfred in Old English. What you're about to hear is not from the period I wrote this, to show my respects to the Saxon monarch of the 9th century, King Alfred.
What? Alfred, Adela, Argoda, Learningman, Lara Knacht, Freund Saxa, Freund Angla, Wikinga Feond, Wiandra Fedra, Derling Saxa, Derling Angla, Angelkunisward, Saxkunisward, Wittenaward, Wisdomes Winner. That was good König. What?
Alfred, noble one, he who was of prime goodness, learning man, lore's knight, friend of Saxons, friend of Angles, Pirates Fiend, warrior's leader, darling of Saxons, darling of Angles, Angelkin's ward, Saxon kin's ward, Witten's ward, wisdom's win. That was a good king. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and if you really like the channel, please become a patron at my Patreon page down below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.